How is Russia responding to the recent Ukrainian drone attack on Tula? The answer reveals surprising military and political moves that could shift the conflict's next phase. Following the drone attack on Tula, Russia swiftly enhanced its air defense systems in the region. Reports indicate deployment of additional anti-drone technology and intensified radar monitoring to detect low-flying threats. Military officials also launched thorough investigations to identify vulnerabilities exploited by the Ukrainian drones. This rapid response aims to prevent further incursions and protect critical infrastructure in Tula, a city known for its weapons manufacturing facilities. The scale of the response suggests Moscow views the attack as a serious escalation. Politically, Russian authorities framed the drone strike as an act of terrorism aimed at destabilizing the country. This narrative was used to rally public support and justify new security measures, including tighter control over airspace and increased surveillance. Officials emphasized the need to protect civilians and critical sites from foreign aggression, reinforcing a message of national resilience. The attack also fueled propaganda portraying Ukraine as escalating hostilities, impacting diplomatic exchanges. Strategically, the drone attack marks a notable shift in Ukrainian tactics by targeting deep inside Russian territory, challenging Moscow's sense of security. This forced Russia to reconsider its defensive posture not only along the front lines, but also in rear areas previously considered safe. The incident may increase Russia's military focus on counter-drone warfare and electronic defenses. It also raises questions about the future escalation of drone warfare in the conflict, potentially altering how both sides conduct operations. Russia's response to the Ukrainian drone attack on Tula combines rapid military upgrades with strong political messaging. This incident highlights the evolving nature of modern warfare and the growing role of drones. If you want to stay informed about surprising answers to the world's pressing questions, hit subscribe for daily insights you didn't know you needed.